Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie. I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new and you're returning, thank you so much for joining me again for another video. Today I have a Coach bag reveal. Yes, I went ahead and bought yet another Coach bag. Guys, right now Coach is like crushing my soul, my heart. I love Coach bags and I love handbags. And this is my second bag I've bought this year. My first bag that I bought was back from my birthday bag. That was at the very beginning of the year, and it was my Lana 23. So I want to reveal the bag that I did pick up. I bought it off of Amazon, you guys. This is like the second bag I've ever bought off Amazon, and it was on sale. Like, it was a really good sale, and you never really can find these bags on sale. Sometimes you can, but a lot of times you can't. But the color, I love. I love the color, and I'm so excited to reveal it. So if you can kind of tell by the shape of this dust bag, you might be able to know what Coach bag this is. I don't have one of these either in my collection. I have variations of it, but not this exact one. So let's go ahead and reveal the new Coach bag, and it is the Coach Tabby 26 regular Tabby refresh, I guess you can call it, in the color Aquamarine. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, I didn't know if this style would actually work out for me. So I have two quilted Tabby 26s, and this holds quite a bit, actually a little bit more than this bag. And I want to do a comparison video between these two bags. And I'm going to do that. There's not a lot out there on the internet, and I think we definitely need a comparison video. What fits, how they wear, everything. So I loved these bags a lot. And in fact, I have a pillow Tabby also in the size 26 that I really like, but this one's probably my favorite. So I really wanted to give this one a whirl, just the good old fashioned OG Tabby 26. And the thing that just drew me in on this bag was this colorway. It's called Aquamarine. It's now, I think, not in stock anymore on the Coach website. Now they have the color Sage, which it doesn't have as much blue undertones. I think Sage has more true sage. I mean, it's like a straight up sage color, and it's got brass hardware, which pairs beautiful because it's a little bit more warm. This is cool toned, so they paired it with silver. I'm dead. I love it. And just my first impression of this bag, I love the rugged pebbled leather of this bag, and it's just really durable. It's been raining lately, and I wore this today. Immediately after I got it, I went right into it and wore it out in the rain, and it's just, everything's wicking off of it. I would much rather wear this bag in the rain than these bags in the rain, just because these are soft Napa leather. But this is that glove-tanned pebbled leather, and well, I don't know if it's glove-tanned. It says genuine pebbled leather, so that's what it is. So yes, I just love it. And then I have to show you something else. So I have owned this strap, this pastel link strap, for a long time. And I used to own the Joni bag, which was pale pistachio. So up from there, you have Aquamarine, which it's pretty close. I don't know if it's the exact Aquamarine, but these two together are so adorable. I really, really like this chain the best on this bag, I'd have to say. I wear this quite a bit with even my Marc Jacobs bags. This strap, I wear it with my Marc Jacobs, the tote bags. I wear it with a bunch of other non-Coach bags even. As long as they have silver hardware, it's gonna be worn with that bag potentially. So anyway, back to the bag. Yes, I just wanted to give this a shot. And I will tell you that whenever I put my stuff inside, it is snug, and I did have to downsize. I can't wear a catch-all or use a catch-all in this bag. and still fit all my stuff in it. So I have to like take some things out and put it in this center compartment, and then everything can close okay. Now this bag's going to potentially break in and stretch a little bit more. I think it's along the same size-ish, close to the Bandit shoulder bag. I have several of those, and just by packing this, it was totally reminding me of the Bandit. There might be a hair more room in this than a Bandit shoulder bag. So either ways, I'm obsessed. I love this bag so much, and she's just so pretty. I know myself, and I know I could never do a size 20, probably, of any of the Tabby lineup. I really, really like this 26 size, and I even love the size 33 in the quilted. The Tabby family is just so classic and chic, and I don't think that this bag is gonna go anywhere. They've come out with new Tabby styles and, you know, in different variations, just all over the place. So, but no, I just really wanted to reveal this bag to you. I want to mention to you, of course, it comes with this short shoulder strap, and it comes with a beautifully crafted crossbody strap, which I'm actually more fond of wearing with this bag. The buckle is oversized. I love that. And yes, I will probably always wear this bag with this chain strap and just always by crossbody. It just lays really good crossbody. I really like the way that this bag lays on the body as a crossbody, more so to me than a shoulder bag. So I just think it's so cute, beautiful for spring and summertime. And I don't have a color at all like this. Probably the closest bag that I do have in my collection that has a greenish blue is my Basile Paris bag. But this is completely different. Like, this is a lighter shade of that aqua color. So, and plus I love the silver hardware. This is now my third Coach bag with the silver hardware, and I love that. Like, for me, I think my top is brass actually, then silver, then the black copper, mainly just because black copper from Coach does not wear the best. We'll call it what it is. It's stunning, it's beautiful, but it can over time just turn that under silver tone underneath that black copper. I think it kind of wears out. So, but no, I don't really have much more to say about this bag. Yes, she's a small bag. Yes, I've sold like 10 Coach bags last year. So I really want to hold on to the bags that I'm buying now and just be more strategic about my purchases. Like, I really want to be more strategic about knowing that I'm not going to sell it down the road. Now, who knows in like 2 years what I could do, 2 to 3 years or whatever, or even in a year. I mean, I don't know, but she's so cute. I want to compare this to the other two Tabbies again. Okay, so here's the quilted Tabby, and then here's the regular Tabby. So again, this is way more structured than this. This one's gonna give quite a bit more. They both have back pockets, and yeah, I think on a preference level, I probably prefer this one a little bit more. So this one has the strap connections on the side. I mean, it's a traditional Tabby. And then the beautiful puffy pillow Tabby here next to the regular Tabby 26. And you know what? I'd have to say that these two hold very similar amounts. So I really love the organization of these bags. I think having your items you can use longer SLGs than like a shorter bag. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys, but I feel like when I open up this bag and I can look in and kind of see things kind of lengthwise east to west, I really like that. And you can just easily pick out your things and put them back in. So I do use a card holder, just a regular Coach card holder with the baguette bags, like all of these bags basically. Only simply because sticking a whole full-size compact wallet in this limits the amount of other room that you have. So when I do the in-depth review of my Tabby 26 and compare it to my quilted Tabby, I'm going to show you if I used a compact wallet, like what I would have to limit if I was to use that, or a card holder. So that way you can get a really good depiction of, you know, what you'd like to fit into your Tabbies. So anyway, guys, that is it. I am so excited. I need to attach, so I like to permanently attach my hang tags, and but I may want to get this monogrammed. I don't know. I may take it into a Coach store and see what they'll do, potentially. And then I'd like to crimp this on so that way it won't fall off and I'm left without a hang tag on this bag. Okay, that's all. Do you guys have anything in this aquamarine color? Are you looking at the brand new Sage by Coach? They did also come out with a gorgeous, very light blush pink. It's almost nude. It's very pretty too. Awesome for the spring. So those two colors for the springtime are amazing. And the fact that I was able to get this for $285, I think that's a pretty good price. They normally retail for these retail for $450, I believe, either $395 or $450. I can't remember, but I felt like I paid a pretty fair price for a pretty recent color, and it's the Tabby refresh. So that's it. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video and my Coach reveal. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. All right, now, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your week. Take care now. Bye-bye.